Okay, it's Friday morning, the sun's out, and we're here, we're getting ready to go on our hike. We're at Walgreens, guys picking up some final stuff. Manny is here, John's truck, and we'll be talking on the way up and everything, so later.
They're not, you know,
everybody's here.
Not the biggest puffy, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I like that.
Okay.
Way to get a face shot. We're trying to reach.
Let's rock and roll. Gotta sign in. Okay, we signed in. Everything going up. Right there. It's a big sign now.
Movie.
Surgery.
That's what you look like, man. That one movie where they get to kill each other one day of the year.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is me.
Yeah, the purge.
Hey.
Let's hunt together. Don't hunt for me. Look, man, he's already tired. We haven't even started.
All our backpacks are in here.
I'm just messing with you.
I'm weary because I'm sore.
Manny's stretching.
Is it your lower back?
No, I hip flexor was my problem last time. Okay, alright, I'm taking my foot. Because remember I told Rick I wasn't taking a heater. I haven't taken it in years. Build a fire.
Half. Yeah. You're eating healthy elsewhere, 80%.
Yeah. I was telling Rick I've dropped 8 pounds just since the beginning of the year laying on my ass. Just switched my eating. I just didn't give a shit during the holidays because it was kind of hurt and I knew I wasn't going to be. Oh, I'm sure it's dissipating as time gets wet.
I think it is.
Yeah.
I think it is sliding
Yeah,
down
I'm sure
more.
it's settling. Gravity.
I don't remember it going up to high on it.
Maybe they had a higher trail too. But yeah, I'm sure it separates. When it first happened, it would have combined. I took them off.
Toes get cold when
Mine
there's ice
are all
on top.
Fogged up. I took them off.
Oh, pretty good.
Yeah, I'm wearing 2 socks.
John feeding his mouth. And me. The crazy one.
Me.
This is the famous branch. John knows I'm not on social media, so he's not worried about it. He'll just see it on YouTube.
We'd like to see you right after lunch.
Just text that to me.
That's what I forgot, man. I had a big ass bag of almonds.
We're having a bunch of wood trees in.
Whoa!
Here's a view you'll barely ever see. I'm going to put it on the web so all people that work for Manny's can say, oh, he actually does do something.
Except yell at, other than yell at us.
So they can revoke his insurance claim for hike. Saturday.
Every year. This is the wood, some of the wood we've got gathered so far. Part of the old oven. Used to be up here. Our sleeping quarters. It's kind of a bunk bed. If somebody wanted to, they could sleep underneath. Table. Where'd the sled go?
Oh, that's gonna be up the sleeve. Alright.
Up to no good.
Get that kind of view.
You're gonna see my masseuse Monday.
My video camera, it's got smell sensor too, maybe, so we can tell who smokes. I'm a videographer. I know how to fucking make it go out.
Shit.
Yeah, and get it out.
Blow up one thing don't either.
Green ring. Oh yeah, they got it. They're gone. On them without
So I hit James up, hey, I need another half.
I signed it because I might touch it tonight. Yeah, he's like, make sign like you bacon. I go, I don't have stencils.
Yeah.
I know about that today, John.
Like when somebody on the golf course yells 4, you gotta look where it's coming from.
Cheeseburger.
Instead of just talking. Good shot at him. Wife, they both worked at Boeing, so he took off for the hills for 6 months and just lived in the Cascades.
Got to go down and see it now.
Perfect.
You got the upper half.
Oh, did you guys get it? I hope.
Yep.
Hope that wasn't in vain. I hit my heart hard on a rock.
Yeah, don't make, you better film it. Don't make me do that shit again.
All right, we need to do it one more time.
Hey guys, here we are.
Never held a selfie stick before.
The pool was the best. there's a lot of them that were way better talent-wise. I know well, what set it off, we went, both of my sons, their wives, and feet, looking at my dog.
Yeah, I've heard of that.
Heard of that. That's on video.